Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video, we want to find the value of this fraction. 7 plus 7 times 8 over 7. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. Instead of this fraction, we can write parentheses, the numerator 7 plus 7 times 8 divided by denominator, which is 7. So in this expression, we have one parenthesis and one division. According to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. We first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. Okay, so here first we have to do these parentheses. Inside these parentheses we have one addition and one multiplication. According to this rule, multiplication has higher priority than addition. So first we have to do this multiplication. 7 times 8 gives us 56. So we have 7 plus 56 divided by 7. No, 7 plus 56 gives us 63. And 63 divided by 7, which equals 9. So our final answer to this problem is just 9.